Hello everybody, Gregory here, and today is the big day. Right behind my back is one of our offices. We really wanted to show you what's going on behind the scenes, behind the curtains, how the work is going, show you all the guys, show you how we produce all these cartoons, how we produce all these amazing AI animations. Welcome you today at Arteki Studios. Take a look at that. Here's the next video for Jiggle is shooting. You can see this wonderful, handsome guy. Hey buddy, how you doing?
Great.
I'm not interrupting, sorry. So right now we are in the heart of all the shooting parts of all our projects. All the Jiggle videos, all the blockchain sports videos, all of them have been shooted here. We have all the lights, all the cameras, all the sound, it's all set, totally professional quality. So this is the heart of creating all the video materials that you see. We have to move on and do not disturb the guys. So let's go and I'll show you the next parts of Arteki Studio. So we're not interrupting the shooting. Right here, you can see all the guys who are responsible for the work of the film set. We have a lot of people here. They are planning like the next shootings and stuff, but we don't want to interrupt them. And I want to show you the next spot. And the next spot is one of the most interesting parts. The next spot is about video editing, about AI part and all the AI part. So come on and, oh, you see, the work is crazy. Let's go and I'll show you our next floor. Okay, so here's the next part of our office. This is the main brainstorming room. You can see all the directors, you can see all the writers, all the ideas creators here live in action. They are working right now on something really special. You can see, but I didn't show you that. Okay, so it's better not to disturb them because they are responsible for creating something epic for all of us. They are brainstorming right now all the ideas. But I want to show you something special, something real special. This is our secret room, but I want you to witness what is happening right behind this door. Be careful, these guys are wild, but I will show you what's behind. Okay, so this is our sound design and sound engineering part. You can see how guys are working on the next chapter of the house Spirits. They are creating wonderful sounds and wonderful voices for all the cartoons that we have created. Okay, so I think it's better not to talk here, but this is really interesting. This is something magnificent. Okay, but we have to move on. I will turn off the lights because guys are really scared of the people. Okay guys, so all the storytelling today is not accidental. I wanted to walk you through the process of creating the cartoon. And right now, I want to move to on my personal opinion, the most interesting part, because we are moving to the part where all the artificial intelligence magic is happening. The directors have created the idea. And after that, they are passing it to our AI department. And the guys over here, you can see them right over there, they are starting to create different frames of all the characters, all the scenes, all the, I don't know, the towns, the cars, everything that the director and the storytellers have created. After they have created the frames, come on, take a look at that. They are starting to connect different frames between each other and starting to make them live. They are bringing it to life. This is unbelievable. This is something really amazing. You can see, take a look at that one. You can see how our cartoons are creating in real time. So it's all started just with an idea. We created the frame, we created the picture, just the picture. And right after that, these guys are making them to the videos. They taking the pictures and making them to the videos. They go through the lip sync, they go through the music departments. That's why Jiggle is right over there behind the corner. And this is the final stage when the cartoon is brought to life. Take a look at that. This is the very last part of all the editing. This is the part where we can see all the cartoon, like final one, the full one. So guys, Andy finished his part, so Arteki Studio is free, the film set I'm in is free, and I'm really happy that I can wrap up everything right over here at Arteki film set. Today's the big day. It's the first time ever we've shown publicly our office, our guys. We've shown publicly all the work process and all the workflow. You've seen the production, you see how ideas are created, you've seen the lip sync part, the AI part. You've seen literally everything. And I'm really happy that I can share this day with you here from our office. This is the next chapter of our big journey with 8 Ventures into the United States. And thank you for joining us. Thank you for your support. Thank you for being here today, and see you soon.